of passion, culture of many ethnicities, exposure to reality, definition of life. A place where you find yourself or you lose yourself. Where creativity, dreams, love, and adventure thrive as fast as they can die. Where you are defined as an individual, fighting against being put into a group based on race, gender, age, class, or sexual orientation. Being told by your parents that you can succeed no matter what others say. That in order to succeed, you must get an education. Yet your needs in school are never met. Never being given a fair opportunity. Yet trying to beat the odds. Not falling into expectations made by others. But that is the reality of life in Brooklyn. That is how life works, which is hard and tough, however blissful and enjoyable if you play your cards right. Brooklyn is above all a place where life is not given to you or chosen for you. You must choose your own path, and hopefully it's the best path for you. See, Brooklyn is magical, different, where stars are born, where Flatbush became the melting pot of West Indians, where Bed-Stuy built its reputation, where Coney Island became a tourist attraction, where Canarsie had the Indian chief, where Hartsville had their multicultural household, where Fort Greene became a shopping center, where Sunset Park became Latino-based. See, the hustles and bustles of Brooklyn are filled with noises of many different languages being spoken at once. Many cars, moving trucks, fire truck engines, police cars and their sirens, many people walking, biking, or running to wherever it is they are supposed to be. Many bus engines stopping, many trains moving along the way, along the high tracks that gives you a chance to glance over Brooklyn. Many skateboards, scooters, and roller skates rumbling on the rocky pavement of Brooklyn. Brooklyn is where I live. Brooklyn is me.